Okay.
Balakrishna, mute yourself, please.
Oh, sorry.
Hello everyone. So we are going to learn Cyberark, that is a privilege access management solution, and that is in Cyberark we are going to learn multiple things. We will start from introduction, where we will learn what are privilege accounts, what is privilege access management. Then I will provide you Cyberark overview, following with the Cyberark components solution or introduction. Then we will learn, I will take you through Cyberark functioning, and I will also provide Windows Server introduction and basic configuration that are required for Cyberark PAM, and I will also provide you a knowledge of uh, LDAP, Active Directory. So that will be covered in the introduction part, and after that we will be working on Cyberark installation. Where we will be doing installation of Cyberark PAM solution with its basic components: Cyberark Vault, CPM, PSM, PVWA, and we will also be working on AIM, PSMP, OPM, PTA. So these all are Cyberark components. So after installation, we will be working on implementation and configuration. Then we will be working on Cyberark use cases. We will be working on Cyberark operations. So if you take trainings from other places, they will be providing you Cyberark implementation and installation. So here we will be covering each and every use cases of Cyberark, included with Cyberark operationals thing, Cyberark implementation, Cyberark installation, and in our case, we are going to provide you Cyberark automation training as well, that you will not get anywhere. Uh, we have Cyberark automation expertise, uh, which can be utilized in any company. There are lots of demand in multiple companies for Cyberark developer, where you can do custom connector, plugin development, this kind of thing you can do. And within installation, we have lots of things. We have multiple components of Cyberark, so we will be doing installation of them. Then we will be working on Cyberark master policies, platform policies, password activities, overview, this kind of thing we will be working on. And Cyberark PAM is currently market leader in PAM area, so it will be very good to working on Cyberark for you as well. And so till now, you have any query, anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
Uh, I'm sorry, actually, Amit, I missed the introduction. I was actually trying to connect. So could you just brief me about what actually CyberArk is? I mean, when you talk about Java, I understand it's a programming language. When you talk about Selenium, I know it's a testing tool. When you talk about MSBI, I know it's a business intelligence tool.
Okay. So Cyberark is a privilege account access management. For example, in many organization, we have privileged users. Let's take an example of bank HR team, who has access to see the pay slip of all the users in the organization or some set of people. So in that case, that user will become most vulnerable. If that user has access to see the payslip of other user, he can use that information or misuse that information or provide that information to someone else. So in that case, we need to keep an eye on that user all the time, whether that user is not misusing that information or not sharing with
So
someone
it's
else.
yeah, so it's mostly like a kind of administration job, like Windows admin, Linux admin, and kind of stuff like that, right?
Yes, we will be managing uh, administration, I mean privileged user into Cyberark. We
Mm-hmm.
store their password and username and target machine information within Cyberark, and end user doesn't know the password of their user itself, and they
Okay,
can connect to their machine without knowing their password. So in
I
that case,
understand.
they cannot share their password with someone else.
Right, but do we also need to know any scripting language? Do we automate couple of things? Since adding each and every user is a regular work, would it be automized? Do we need any scripting language or programming language skills?
uh, I mean, Cyberark is very huge. So in Cyberark you can work on implementation, you might be working on installation, you might be working on automation team. So it will be good to know coding, I mean languages for automation, but it is not mandatory to work on. There are many people in my team as well who even doesn't know coding and they are working very good. But if you know coding, that is also good for you. I mean, you will have weightage on your resume.
Gotcha, gotcha. Okay, thank you. That answers everything. Thank you, Amit.
Yeah. So, and Cyberark exposes various command line interface, REST API. There we will be needing the coding knowledge, and for implementation we don't need coding knowledge. There we just need to know the how to manage interface, Cyberark interface. We need to know how to check log files. We need Windows Server basic knowledge. We need Unix knowledge. If you are a fresher, you don't know how to work on Windows, how to work on Windows, in that case also I will take care of that. I will try to cover each and everything that you require to work on Cyberark. I will be covering Active Directory, and we will be working on monthly classes, so you will have time to work. I mean, you will have time to revise during your complete day. We will have a class. After that, I will assign you some tasks. I may give you some uh, documentation to read on. After that, uh, you I mean, one more thing might be required for you, that is a computer with a good configuration, because I will be providing you images for Cyberark environment. I mean, a local lab that you can install on your local machine, and you can play around it, you can test anything, you can implement use cases of Cyberark. For that also I will provide you exercise book. And in my laptop I have, on my local machine I have uh, Cyberark setup ready that I will be using for the training purpose. Can you see it? I'm sharing on my screen. Uh, Hello.
It is visible, Amit. Yeah.
Okay. So I have installed multiple servers here, and on multiple servers I have installed Cyberark components on Windows and Unix machines. So similar setup you might be required. If you don't have local lab, you can take AWS. You can purchase AWS for few months. You can install Cyberark on AWS environment. So that's your choice. I mean, if you have laptop, then it will be very good to work on. Otherwise, you can take AWS on that basis. Till now, you have any question related to training content? And I mean, this is the basic content that I will be covering, and other than this there will be lots of things that I will cover that are not mentioned in this document. So I will make sure you will work as a experienced guy with minimum 3 years of experience. Uh, I have 5 years of experience in Cyberark, so I have end-to-end knowledge from the implementation to the automation. I am Cyberark certified delivery engineer, and I completed my certification 2 to 3 years back. And from, I mean, I have been providing solutions to various organizations, various things. So it will be very good to work to learn. I mean, it will be very good for you to learn from here. So till now, you have any query, you can tell me. Hello, Varun.
Hello.
Yeah, Varun.
Yeah.
So I am good from my side.
Yeah.
Any query, you can ask.
So hello everyone. So you just ask any queries regarding this training and all these things. You can ask me now and ask Amit as well. Hello. Hello guys. Yeah, that's it, Amit. I think they were not have any doubts till now. So you just explain them how curriculum would be like day by day task and all. You can.
Okay, we will be we will have 2 hours of class a day that we will be doing in the morning from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST. And initially I will be starting with the introduction, then installation, and then implementation. So within 1 month you will be able to do the installation and implementation, and in second month you will be doing the implement. You can implement the use cases, and you you will learn the automation part of Cyberark. So within 2 months you will be Cyberark expert if you provide your dedicated time for this. I mean, if you attend 2 hours of training and you spend 2 hours a day, that will be enough for you to learn Cyberark. Yeah,
Okay, Amit, good. And we will start with tomorrow by 8 a.m. So ask them to attend the session by 8 a.m. IST. So it will end like 9:30 to 10 a.m. every day. So you please guys attend and sessions will start tomorrow onwards
yeah.
continuously. Yeah, Samant.
Yeah,
Yeah, Samant. So do you have any doubts up to now?
no, I don't have any doubts.
Okay, good. So Balakrishna.
Have any doubts?
Okay. If you have any doubts, you just go through him like Amit, he'll assist you. So how career would be.
No, see, first we need to work on IAM or we can directly work on PAM.
We can directly work on PAM. That is not required. I mean,
While applying PAM, anybody ask that you have any IAM experience like that?
I mean, Cyber comes under IAM. So if they ask you, do you have IAM experience? You can say that I have experience in cyber. That will be sufficient.
Okay.
I saw most of the resume comes for Cyber only, and there are lots of requirement. If you search on LinkedIn with Cyber and jobs, you will see lots of jobs available in the market. for Cyberark. And not only in India, outside of India also you can see multiple jobs available.
సో బాలకృష్ణ, మీకు అర్థమైందా? యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే ఐఏఎం అనేది ఒక టెక్నాలజీ. ఐఏఎం లో అండర్ వచ్చేసి ప్యామ్ అనేది, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే
సో ఐఏఎం అనేది మనకు ఒక పెద్ద ఒక ఓషన్ లాంటిది అనమాట.
ఓకే
సో ఐఏఎం లో సబ్ వచ్చేసి ఇది ప్యామ్ అనేది.
ఓకే.
అర్థమైందా మీకు?
One more thing, Amit. If we joined as a PAM admin, or after that we can move into the SIM.
Yes, you can move into SIM. That will be fine. But as in SIM, you will mainly get support and shift. But in Cyberark, you will have a very bright future. As per my experience, you will get lots of opportunity everywhere.
I have a little bit confusion between the two tools. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, you can move to SIM if you want.
Most of the people I seen who are working in SIM tools, they are saying cyber security means SIM tools for the monitoring and supporting and everything like that.
No. In SIM, you will be working on operational and support thing. But in
Okay.
Cyberark, you will do the actual implementation of PAM solution.
Okay.
And in Cyberark, right now, people are doing implementation.
Okay.
And you don't need to write IAM specifically in resume. If you write Cyberark only, that will also be fine for you. You just give a try searching Cyberark on Naukri.com or on LinkedIn in jobs portal. You will see lots of jobs available.
We will implement only account user management, or we can implement SIM tools and all integrations like that also.
uh, we will be implementing Cyberark and its components. For SIM integration, I will explain you how we will do integration with SIM, but I don't have SIM tool license or SIM tool available with me, so we will be just going through it.
Most of the cases, our job role is only maintaining the user management and providing access to the users of all the accounts.
Yes, and not only user management. In PAM, we have privilege session for different users, monitoring and recording and auditing as well. We have reports in Cyberark. We have Active Directory integration that we will be doing. Then we have mail integration. We have password management for various platforms. We will be working on different target platforms, like we will be working on Windows, Unix, and we will be working on web-based applications. So this kind of thing we will be doing in Cyberark. And we have application access manager, where we will be removing hard-coded credential from uh, scripts, database scripts or web server scripts.
Means application to database connectivity, wherever they use the credentials, that we need to hard code it.
Yeah, we can remove these hard-coded credential and take it. I mean, that script will retrieve credential on runtime from Cyberark.
Okay.
So that also we will be working on. We will be learning. We will be working on service account management, scheduled task management. We can automate any website. For example, we can connect to Facebook from Cyberark or LinkedIn. We can work on database integration with Cyberark, Windows, Unix. I mean, in database we can work on any database, Sybase, Oracle, whatever
Okay.
we can do. Then we can do ticketing integration, ServiceNow integration with Cyberark. So that all things we will be covering one by one.
Okay.
Within Cyberark itself, there are lots of configuration that we do.
Okay. 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 Thank you, Amit.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello, Priyadarshini, Archana Priyadarshini. Hello. Hello, Priyadarshini. Hello. Okay. Okay, fine. So she have some disturbance, so she could not speak well now. So she's messaging in WhatsApp. So Amit, hello.
Yes, yes, Varun.
Yeah, we will connect tomorrow. So as we expected by 8 a.m. Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's connect tomorrow by 8.
Okay, Samant and okay, Balakrishna and Archana.
Okay, so as of now, I can see 3 participants.
Yes.
Yeah, so tomorrow, how many will be attending?
So most of the attending like 7 to 8 people. So
Okay.
they were disconnected due to some internet connection and all.
Okay, yeah.
Some people doesn't aware about this video and all. Okay, fine. Let's connect tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you so much, Samant, Balakrishna, and Priyadarshini. So we'll connect by 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, Varun. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Samant.
Yeah, sure.
యా మీకు అంటే మీరు లైక్ మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉందా మామూలుగా?
లేదు.
సో యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే బయట మీకు యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ అడ్మిన్ ఆపరేషన్ వరకే జరుగుతుంది ట్రైనింగ్ ఎక్కడో కూడా. మీరు యూ కెన్ ఎంక్వైర్ విత్ ఎనీ అదర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ కంపేర్ టు అవర్స్. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
సో our curriculum is completely different than others.
ఓకే.
సో మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడే కాదు, మీరు బయట కూడా కనుక్కోండి.
ఓకే.
సో దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంటూ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ పార్ట్. కంప్లీట్లీ వాళ్ళు ఏంటంటే ఆపరేషనల్ అడ్మిన్ వరకే చెప్తారు.
ఓకే.
సో వాళ్ళంతకు మించి ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ అయితే చెప్పారు. మీకు ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ పార్ట్ కూడా చెప్పేదంటే మనం ఇంకెవరు చెప్పారు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.
Varun, can you say your institution name?
Altech.
Altech. Spell it. Can you spell it?
ALLTEC. Altech Developers. This is not into a institution. This is into development and staffing and training as well. So we are into completely professional training, not into some Amirpet, some other institutions. Okay. ALLTEC. TEC.co.in.
TEC.co.in.
Okay. We are located at High-Tech City, Madhapur.
Okay. Okay. Altech.co.in. Okay.
Okay. Okay then. Bye. We'll connect tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.